How to make a silver Christmas tree. Jake Wizard 4 here, along with my sidekick,
Elliot.
He's a wit here at Faraday Studios. That's a wizard in
training.
That's right, we're training. You notice we have our hats on, our formal hats, because we're doing something formal. It's like a formal holiday activity. I think I've done this every year. So what I would like to do for you for a holiday treat is to teach you how to make, are you ready for this? A silver Christmas tree. And I'm talking real silver. Take your fingers and go like this. Real silver. So what would we need to make a silver Christmas tree? I've got some silver in the lab, and I found it.
Silver nitrate.
Silver nitrate. Nitrate is a combination of nitrogen and oxygen. We have to figure out a way to get that silver disconnected from the nitrate. We're going to dissolve this in some water, and this is soluble in water, which means the water molecules will do the pulling apart for us. So we'll have silver over here and some nitrates over there. We're going to make a silver nitrate solution. What do you think about them apples?
Sounds like fun.
So I'm just going to take some silver nitrate. Obviously, it's kind of stuck together in there a little bit, so I'm going to have to bust it up a little bit. We're going to ask for a buster-upper. I forgot to bring one over here. It will magically appear in a second. Any moment now. There it is, right in there. Look at that. Sweet! See how that worked?
Yeah.
You know, that's what wizards do. Look at that. Looks like sugar, right? So what's in those white crystals?
Pure silver.
Yeah.
And oxygen and nitrogen.
That's right. And we're going to make a solution, which you're going to do now. Okay. Right about there. Okay. There it is. And obviously the silver nitrate crystals are no longer. So where's the silver?
Somewhere in the water.
Somewhere in the water. So how are we going to get that silver out of there? Well, you know, chemicals tend to like each other because they want to share electrons, you know, and they're always eyeballing each other. If you ever go over there to the chemical cabinet, you hear them yelling at each other. Hey, good looking. You're going to use all those electrons? You ever hear them talking over there?
No.
No, they do it. You have to do it late at night, but you can hear the jars talking to each other, the chemicals. And the guy's on the left side of the periodic chart saying, hey, I got some electrons I want to get rid of. You know, anybody want any? The guy's on the other, yeah, I'll take some of those things. I could put something in there that would swap places with that silver. And right here it is. What does that say?
Copper.
Copper. Now, copper is a metal just like silver is, right?
Yeah.
So here's some pure copper. Copper foil. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Instead of having you do it, I'm just going to show you what, you know, Jacob, our producer, did. That way, if you laugh at it, it's his work. I said, I want to make a silver Christmas tree. And you know what Jacob made me? If things go well, the copper here will change places with the silver. Because here are the copper atoms, and they're just sitting there going, da, 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 da. Little does that copper know that I'm going to put it in here, and all those silver atoms are going, da, 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 da. They go, oh boy! There's going to be some exchanging taking place. Gotta get down there, there it goes, there it is. Kind of tipped over, didn't it? Oh, something going on?
It's turning black.
Is it what?
It's turning black.
It's turning black.
It looks like a dying leaf. Lots of little bubbles on it.
Already? It's changing. Is it completely covering with ash?
Basically, though I'm not sure it's actually ash, even though it looks like it.
Well, that happened quick, didn't it? It's not black anymore.
No, now it's like all white.
Gosh, it went from nice copper to black, ugly, to ashy, to moldy. Look at that thing go, man.
I'm guessing it's silver because it's kind of shiny.
That's pure silver, exchanging places with the copper. Right here at Midnight Science Club, we did what?
We made a solid silver Christmas tree.
Thank you for joining us for our holiday special activity. Silver Christmas tree. Where are you going to see that?
Here.
That's what I'm saying. Midnight Science Club. That is kind of pretty, though. Hey, what color is the solution now?
Aquamarine.
Yeah, it's definitely blue, isn't it? Or bluish. You know, there. Now we know where the copper went, don't we? Merry Christmas. Be good. Thank you for joining us at Midnight Science Club.